Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to solve exercise of unit number 9. The name of the unit is Force and Machines. Choose the correct answer. Which of the following is not an example of a simple machine? Juicer, stapler, nail clipper, scissors, and the answer is juicer. A light bulb is an example of a lever, screw, wedge, wheel and axle, and the answer is B, screw. A fork is an example of lever, screw, wedge, wheel and axle, and C is the correct answer, wedge. Toilet paper on a roller is an example of pulley, wheel and axle, inclined plane, lever, and the answer is B, wheel and axle. The metal cap of a bottle can be opened by using a bottle opener. In this case, the bottle opener works as a screw, wedge, lever, pulley, and the answer is lever. A flagpole is an example of a lever, wheel and axle, pulley, all of them, and the answer is pulley. A device or tool used to make the work easier and faster is called machine. A simple machine has few or no moving parts. A compound machine is made up of two or more simple machines combined together. A simple machine made up of a bar or rod which rests and turns on a fixed point is called a lever. A simple machine used to cut or split things apart is called a wedge. A simple machine that is used to fasten or hold materials together is called a screw. A fork is an example of a simple machine called a wedge. A simple machine with a slanting surface used to move heavy loads up or down is called a inclined plane. A simple machine consisting of a rope or string wound around a grooved wheel is called a pulley. The rod that goes through the wheel and helps the wheel to move is called an, uh, an axle. Match the definition in column A with the correct terms in column B. Two inclined planes joined back to back used to cut or split things apart. Wedge. A rigid bar or rod that rests and moves on a support and is used to move a heavy load easily is called lever. A rope or string wound around a grooved wheel used to move objects up, down, and across pulley. A slanting surface used for moving objects from lower to higher or higher to lower surfaces easily inclined plane. An inclined plane wrapped around a cylindrical pole that is used to fasten and or hold things together, screw. Label the load, effort and fulcrum on the illustration below. This one is effort, this is fulcrum and this one is load. Answer these questions. If an object is acting as a lever, what is the force applied on the object called? The force applied on an object acting as lever is called effort. What is the point where a lever moves called? The point where lever moves is called pivot or fulcrum. How is a simple machine different from a compound machine? Simple machine. Simple machine has few or no moving parts. It is used to apply force. Compound machine is formed by two or more than two simple machines put together. Draw, lever and label all three parts of it. In this way you can draw and label this question. This one is load, force or effort and fulcrum. Where do you see the use of pulleys? Give at least 3 examples from your daily life. I see use of pulley in different places, for example, wells, flagpoles, construction equipment. How do wheels and axles make work easier? Wheel and axle help to move heavy loads or to multiply the distance traveled.